This week that I was not that stable on the charts. I was quite busy, but I still managed to took some few trades. So let me walk you through the trade I took on three pairs. The first pair was Gbpcad. So as you can see the market structure shift. My market structure shift. Then my liquidity was intact. This is my supply zone. I waited for price to tap into my 1 hour supply zone. Then you can see beautiful displacement to the downside. This trade gave me 1:6.28. So before then, before I took this trade, I make sure that I checked if price was reacting from a higher time frame key level. You can see that yes, price was reacting from a higher time frame key level here. That was why I took the trade. So this is it. Price was reacting from a higher time frame key level. So you can also see a market structure shift here on the higher time frame. You can see a market structure shift here. You can also see the same liquidity. This exactly the same structure that was formed here. That was what was formed on the 1 hour time frame. So you can see the key level, you can see a market structure here, you can see the liquidity intact, then price, you can see a market structure shift, sorry, you can see the liquidity intact, then you can see price has tapped into this key level. That was when I zoomed down to the smaller time frame to look for a market structure shift, another market structure shift, and this was how I caught this beautiful trade of 1:6, 1:6 point something. So the next trade I took was um card CHF on the 4 hour time frame. This trade, I lost this trade. The price action of this August, I don't just understand it. I don't understand what price has been doing. So this is also my setup. You can see a break of structure to the upside. You can see my fair value gap and liquidity intact. So what did price do? Price tapped into it and broke this key level, broke my demand zone. It's normal to have losses. Losses are part of the game, so it's just normal. So I think the third trade I took was on BTC. That BTC trade ended me on break even. So if I did it put set break even, I think this trade will also be a loss. So you can sell you can see my market structure shift, then multiple break of structure to the downside. Then this was the first tap that this was the first entry. Price tapped into it and started selling. After it started dishing profits to the downside, I set my break even here. So after setting my break even, I went out to do other things. So coming back after some time, sometimes I don't really check my trade if I'm trading on the higher time frame. I only check my trade when I'm scalping to see how far the trade is going. You know, scalping is very fast, but if I'm using the higher time frame, I can just set my trade and forget. So after price tapped into it, I was seeing profits. I was like, yes, this trade is going fine. Before you know, after some time, boom, price swept my stop loss and moved to my direction. So if I didn't set break even here, I would have I would have lost this trade. But after taking my stop loss, sorry, after taking my break even, you can still see the beautiful displacement to the downside. That was what happened. But plus and minus, I ended the week with profits. There is one break even, one stop loss with one TP, and the TP was 1:6. All you just have to do is to understand the power of risk management or risk to reward. Just understand the power of risk to reward. So if I'm to lost even, let me say, if I'm to lost more 5 trades, I will still be in break even. Maybe after hitting that TP of 1:6 point something. Remember, I just lost 1%. I've lost one. This one is break even. The 1% I lost is card CHF. So if I still lost more 4 trades, I will still be in break even, or 5 trades, I will still be in break even. That is the power of risk to reward. So, but it will be rare to lose some 5 trades in a row or 6 trades in a row. It will be rare, except maybe I'm not using an effective strategy. So for more videos like this, don't forget to follow me up. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more quality videos or more educational videos concerning forex trading. Thanks for watching this video.